Welcome back. Long time no see. Hey guys, it's been so long since I posted any home content, life content, you name it. Where have I been? But we're gonna get all into that in the vlog. But today's video is to talk about a new find. If you're a mom like me and you still want to keep your white couch, yeah, I got something for you. So today we're going to talk about my slip cover for my couch. It has been one of my favorite purchases recently, especially now I have a toddler. Can't believe I'm saying that now. I have a whole toddler, like turning 17 months in a few days from the day I'm filming. He is walking, he is running, he is learning how to say words. He has a very big personality. It's just beautiful to see. But what comes with a toddler and a white couch is a mess. Now granted, we don't give him anything where he can like mark up the couch. Stuff spills on the couch and things like that. And I'm not the mom to be like, no, don't sit on a white couch. No, like we bought the couch to use, you know. And I bought this couch way prior to me knowing I was gonna be a mother anytime soon. And I love my white couch, and I just decided like it's not going anywhere. So good thing about the couch is that the cushions are removable, but realistically, how often can I do that? Not for the schedule I have. I'm still trying to figure out my work mom life balance, work, mom, wife, all of the above, and still find time for the hobbies that I love and want to curate even more. So yeah, that's not cutting it. So I started looking through slip covers. Now, you know, the generic ones we get where you put the slip on individual cushions and around the couch. To me, I just don't find it match my aesthetics, nor do I find it cute. Like, we know it's a slip cover, but it don't gotta look like a slip cover while like being a slip cover. I don't know if that makes sense, but baby, it was not giving what I needed to give. So I have a party bound couch. There was this particular slip cover, because you know when I want a site for the slip cover I want, it was like 2 bands. I said, for a slip cover, sir, who paying that? Not me. No. So I went to my good and dandy Facebook Market. When I got to Facebook Market, I found the slip cover, but by 3 inches shorter than what my couch needed. I was sick to my stomach because this was the only person selling the exact slip cover I was looking for, and a very great price. But I wasn't gonna spend it if it didn't fit the couch. It would defeat the purpose. So I had to go and look for an alternative. End up going to Amazon, y'all. Yes, I don't shop on Amazon. I don't remember the last time I had an order from Amazon. I'm just not an Amazon girly. Used to be years ago, just not no more. Prime don't hit the same. These things don't hit the same. So I said, But at this point, it called for desperate measures. So I did find me a slip cover that fit into my aesthetic, where, you know, it was good in a washing machine, it could cover my couch, it can do what I needed to do, and sit the way I want it to sit. Now, I like slip covers that's kind of like, you know, you put on a couch, it has a skirt. I'm really big on skirts when it comes to a slip cover, and I just wanted to cover the couch, drape the couch. You know, you gotta drape the couch. See all its curves and shapes. Just drape it. So I end up running across this slip cover. I got it in white. I know, white. But hear me out, hear me out. I have had that slipcover. Let me pull up. I've had the slipcover since May 20th. Today is July 29th. So I've had the slipcover for 2 months now, and I'm going to give you my full review on the slipcover. Would I recommend a slipcover? Heck yes. When I tell you I am in love with the slipcover, not only is it easy to put on, when I first got it, I was still trying to figure out, okay, how does this fit? Because you are dealing with this big piece of clothing. But after the first time of putting it on, it was a breeze. It was a breeze. I didn't dread washing it, as well as washing it pretty quick. And the only thing I do to wash the slipcover, I use baking soda, the powder detergent, and just a little bit of bleach. Not a lot, just a little bit for them spots and stains that I got. Depending on if my son is home majority of the week, then they care. Depending on what we got going on, it just does something. Those mixtures together always have it coming back exactly the way I purchased it. And so I personally will buy it again. I purchased it for $50 before tax, so between $50 to $55, yes, which is a deal. Coming from $2K to $55, yeah, I don't got those bands to be spending on that slipcover. Neither here or there, but this was a great alternative for me. It do come in different colors. Okay, you got your beige, you got your gray, you have your red wine, your black, your khaki, your cream, your navy blue, and they have 3 different sizes, which is the armchair, the love seat, and the sofa. I got the sofa, and I got it in a large, like an extra large, I believe. Not just a large, but an extra large. And it came from the styrofoam rollers where you can like shove them in if you want to define certain creases of your couch. I personally didn't use it because it didn't need it, and I like the way I put it on the couch, so I left it out. Now, if you care about the material of the slipcover, I will include that it is polyester. We're in a day and age, everything is in polyester. Do I like it? No. But for what I got going on, it is what it is, and it works great right now in my life, where I have something where I can keep that is for me while still having my toddler running around and not have to worry about my couch. So definitely recommend. That is my review on this. Let me see the brand of this couch. The brand of this couch is NICEEC Furniture Slipcovers. I will be leaving a link down below for the slipcover if they're still available. I think they are. It's just the color I got was not available. I knew that if I did not get this in white, I definitely was going to get it in cream or beige, one or the other, but luckily I did have it in white. I believe they should restock by now. If not, I'll link similar ones to the one I purchased as well. So yeah, guys, if you're a mama with a white couch, even if you don't have a white couch but you have a big sofa and you want a white and you want a nice elegant skirt draping like slipcover, this is for you. So I have to put my girls on, okay? We can come in the middle and meet in between. So let's see how I style it. You're gonna see my first reaction, getting the package and trying to put it together, and then at the end we're gonna kind of like zhuzh up the living room and see it all come together with everything else that goes on in the living room. enjoy the video. I hope that this helps my mamas that's looking for something affordable but still fits the aesthetic, still fits the elegance. This is for you, and I am looking forward to doing more home content now that I'm getting my life back together. Be prepared. So much to come before the end of the season. I know everyone's rushing to fall content. Over here, we're gonna stay in season until the season changes itself. We're not rushing. I'm not here to sell to you. I am here to vibe with you. So the girls who are here to vibe, hey, my name is Sarah and I love to vibe. I do a little of everything from beauty to lifestyle to decor and all of the above. So make sure you subscribe. I cannot wait to see you in my next video. And give a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you next time.